Hi again. So we are here on page 207, exercise 2. Fill the gaps with these words. So you use these words and you fill them in the text. You can look up the words on page 260. Okay, let's go to the next exercise on page 208. So, exercise 3. Memories can be all kinds of things. Make correct combinations. So you can look up the words again on page 260. Then you combine them with the hashtags. Yes? So then you have to write down your own hashtag for each memory type. So what is nostalgic for you? So write it down like this: unforgettable, vague, and haunting. Yes? Then exercise 4. Oops, sorry about that. So exercise 4, make correct combinations. So you have to use morning, evening, midday, noon, afternoon, and night. You can also look it up. Exercise 5 is a bit complicated, so I will show you how to fill it in. So you have the box with all of these words. Complete the calendar, months and days of the week. So here you put down the days of the week. So here is Monday. So what's behind it and what's over here? Then the months you have to put over here. So we already have June and July. So what do we have here? Put in the right order. And what do we have here? And then here, legend, there you have to write down the seasons. Okay. Exercise 6, you don't have to do that one. But 7, here you have to have a look at the box. It's about time. So if we are talking about time, you divide your clock in 2 parts. So on this side, you use past. On this side, you use 2. If you have a full hour, you use a clock. For example, it's 2 o'clock. Yes. If it's 5 past, you say it's 5 past 2. Yes. If it's 10 minutes past, you say 10 past 2. Een kwartier na is a quarter past 2. And so on. 20 past, 25 past, and then half is it's half past 2. Yes? Then we are on the other side of the clock. So here we use 2. So here we have 25 to 3. Here you use the next hour. Or a quarter to 3. Ja, dus 3:15. Then we have, for example, 5 to 3. And then we have the full hour again. Okay, I hope you understand it. Then we're going to the next page. So, asking and telling the time and date. This is another box. So, what time is it? So, how do you ask this? What's the time? Can you tell me the time, please? So, these are all different questions. Yes. So, you answer with it's or it is. Yes. So, the first one, it's 1 o'clock. En dus dan is het 1 uur stipt. Yes. We've already seen these ones. Yes. But it's noon. Noon means middag. It's midnight means middernacht. In English, we also use AM and PM. AM means before noon, and is voor de middag, or in the morning. Yes, PM we use for afternoon, or in the afternoon, or in the evening. Yes. Then asking and saying dates. For example, what day of the week is it? Today is Thursday, or today is Wednesday. What day is it? It's Wednesday. Or what day of the month is it? It is the 13th of May. Yes? Or today is the 9th of October. But pay attention, if you want to write it down, you only write today is 13th of May, so you don't write of and you don't use an article. Yes? Okay, so keep that in mind. And so names of days and months begin with a capital letter in English, but you've already seen that. Yes? Then exercise 8. Listen and repeat. You don't have to listen to it. You just write down the times. And so have a look at the different clocks. So you use it's or it is, and then you write it down. And so, for example, it's 10 past 10. So the first one is already written down. So you do this for the rest of the clocks. Exercise 9. Here you have to listen. So you just go to your digital school diary, and there is a link. You can click on it, and then you go to Polpo. So listen to Kirsten talking about her school days. Circle the correct times. So here you have 2 options, and then complete the sentences. And so here you have to fill in the missing part. Okay, so you write this on the lines. Yes? Then for the next page, we have one more exercise. So use the internet to find the answers to the following questions. So what time does the last train leave the station at night? 2, you don't have to do this because the cinema isn't open at this moment. 3, when does the sun rise tomorrow morning? Sunrise means dat de zon opkomt. 4, what time does it go down tomorrow? And 5, what time does the local swimming pool open on Saturdays? And so you just have a look at the schedule. Okay, that's it. I hope you understand it. Bye.